Lewys Twamley, Pontypridd United and Newport County.
So Lewis, how are you enjoying your time at Pontypridd?
Yeah, really good to be fair. A lot better than I thought it was going to be. Obviously my last loan spell last season didn't go to plan. I wasn't really playing, so if I'm honest, I was a bit on edge coming on loan again.
Going well for you personally?
Yeah, it's going well. I'm in good form. I like to keep close tabs on myself, his numbers, his goals and assists. I think I can get a few more.
And beyond numbers, you have been catching the eye with some tricky runs and stuff as well. Is that something you pride yourself on?
Yeah, 100%. Obviously, that's the kind of player I am. I like the ball close to my feet. I like dribbling, taking players on, showing people what I can do. Hopefully I can get a few more goals doing that.
How did the loan move come about from Newport?
It was the old manager at the time, Newport, James Obi. He was really good getting me to go because, like I said, I didn't want to come really. Nothing against Pontypridd, but for myself, I just didn't want to put myself back in that place sitting on the bench all the time. It was doing me no good. But like the manager, Andrew Stokes, Danny, I knew Danny before, so he was really good with me, saying, "Hey, come, you'll play regular." Stokes, he was saying the same. I knew quite a few of the boys here. Obviously coming with Joe from Newport as well. I knew Clayton Green. I only lived down the road, 5-10 minutes away. It's ideal, so it was a no-brainer really.
Comparing men's football to youth football, what's the biggest step up?
Obviously physicality is the big one. Being at Salisbury last season was a lot physical, but Cymru Prem is a lot more physical. It's a different level. And then when we do play the development games at Newport, going into it, you're playing against like kids, like people at my age really, a little bit older, a little bit younger, so it's a lot different. It's hard to go in between them because you're playing against men who are like 40 years age, and then you're playing against people who are like 18 years of age, so it's a lot different. Obviously for me, being a small attacking player, it's hard, but I think it's only going to make me a better player.
Pace different?
Yeah, you could say so. There's a few fast people in this league, by the way.
Who's the fastest?
Oh, I don't know. There's a few in this team that probably want to be on there. I don't know. I give Ben a million one. He's fast. You don't look it, but he's fast.
You don't look it?
Yeah, you don't look it. He's fast though.
You personally, what's the goal for you in the next few years?
Just carry on playing regular football. Hopefully get myself into the Newport team, playing regular in January, and then just go from there.
Have you got an eye on the sort of national squad? You've been at age grade level.
Yeah, obviously I've played at 18s and 19s. I made my debut against England. And obviously you see Rob Page is giving all these chances to the younger players like Jordan James, like Luke Harris, and there's loads. Ollie Cooper obviously was being at Newport before. I don't want to say too much obviously, but yeah, that's the aim. Hopefully play for Wales first team one day.
But Will Evans, James Waite and Prissy Farquhar, and all three that's played in the Cymru Prem before going to Newport County. Is the club seeing it as a good platform for stepping into the Football League?
I don't think it's that far off, to be fair. Like, I think TNS could compete in League 2 if they were ever to go in that. I think there's not many teams that are far off either. The standard of football is really good. It's a lot better than I thought it was going to be. Played with Joe. Me and Joe love coming here on a Tuesday and Thursday. We really look forward to coming to training. We love playing on the games. I think just getting the league out there and getting people to know it's actually a really good league for football.
You're in the relegation zone, but it's really tight at the bottom of the league. Are you confident you can burst up the league with a busy December coming up?
Yeah, 100%. We've got loads of games coming up. Obviously, we've got the game on Friday. The boys winning good confidence going into that game. We know we can get 3 points. We know we can do to get the 3 points, but like we've seen before, 2-3 wins in a row, we get you right at the table. We tried to make the home ground like a tough place to come for away teams. Like when we go to away teams, we know it's a tough place to go, especially Cardiff Met. We went there, we lost 3-0, it was a tough game. We don't like losing, no one likes losing, so we're going to hopefully get some payback on Friday.